Hi, this is RJ, and I'm going to show you how to use the laser cutter and vinyl cutter from a template file. So when you open up Rhino, you have your typical empty workspace. If you go to File, New, now there are two template files. There's one called Laser Cutting Template Inches version 2. That's just for laser cutting, and there's another one called Laser Vinyl Cutting Template Inches version 1. This is both for vinyl and laser cutting. So I'll open that one and explain what's going on here. So in this file you can set up your job inside of this 40 by 28 inch box. This is the bed size, 40 by 28 inches. And anything you put in here will show up under the laser layout tab. If I turn off the info layer here, you won't see the material anymore. Right now this material is just example piece of cardboard, 36 by 24 inches. So I'll turn that info layer off, and all you see is are the curves to cut score, and then inside and outside cuts. So that's how you laser cut. From here you want to go to print and click on properties, and in this case I'll show using a piece of cardboard. You go to the advanced tab, cardboard, and load. So what we're doing is loading the color mapping settings, and these colors correspond to the colors in the template. So anything that's going to be blue is going to be scored. Anything that is watermelon color, so pink and green, will be cut. Pink before green, and anything that's red will be cut last. So I'll hit OK and hit print, and it's ready to print. So that's how you use the updated laser cutting template. So now if we're going to go ahead and cut on vinyl, right now there's 3 possible boards here you can place artwork on. They're 24 inches because that's the width of the vinyl roll here, and depending on the size of your artwork you can pick any of these 3. I'll demonstrate using the 6-inch tall rectangle. So anything placed in this box will show up under vinyl 6. Anything placed in the 12-inch box will show up under vinyl 12, and anything in the 24-inch vinyl box will show up under vinyl 24. These are just different layouts that correspond to those rectangles. So going back over here, I have some blue text in here. This is just placeholder text that describes how to use this. There's some red text in here, curves basically, that will be cut out. The color doesn't really matter because when you're talking to the vinyl cutter, any curves that are in this box will be considered something to cut. So if I delete all this and delete all this, then you'll see just a square with a circle in it under vinyl 6. So to send this to the vinyl cutter, you just go up to print, and you want to pick the correct destination. If it's not picked, it should be picked, but if it's not, you make sure it's selected here. You go to properties, and you want to change the units to inches, and you want to set the length to what the height of the rectangle is, so 6 inches here, hit OK. So now this view updates, and anything you send to print will be printed. So I send print, and it's printed. So that's basically how you use the laser cutter and vinyl cutter template.